Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to teach simple banking registration system using JSP and Servlet using user bean, right? How to use the bean class in Java web development. I am going to teach step by step here. This is very important stuff, right? In my last video series we have explained only Servlet. In this class I am going to explain Servlet and JSP both with user bean, right? How to use the user bean, right? It's very essential stuff to learn, right, from the beginning. So here I am going to run the system first. So select this one, form.xml HTML run file. You can check here. This is a bank here. This one sub application. Here we have to. I'm going to John first name, last name Peter, address India, account type servings, annual income you have to write 12,000, phone number I am going to write something like that. Click registration button. You can see here the registration, right? You can check here, right here. John registration success. Your registration number will be 12, right? It's very simple one, right? It's a very essential one to do the application here. So how to do this system step by step I will be explain, right? So let's begin the project, right? So first what I am going to do is here I already opened the NetBeans ID here, right? So here file, new project, select Java web application, next. Here I am going to give the project name as NDB bank. I just give the name, right? Okay, click next. I am not going to use any framework yet. I just click finish. Right, now your project has been created. Right, now what I am going to do is here first I am going to design the form first, right? This is very essential stuff to design the form. So first what I am going to do is here I am going to go to the browser. Here first I am going to type here bootstrap, right? We have to connect with the bootstrap here. It's very good stuff to connect with the bootstrap. So you have to go to the bootstrap, right? Here you can download the bootstrap CSS and download and connect it. Otherwise I am going to use this get started button. Here you can just copy and paste it here, bootstrap CSS and JS file, right? So this is the web base, right? So just click on here and back to our project. You have to paste it, right click and paste, right? This is CSS, right? This is not error. You have to enable this to disable the HTML error checking for file, right? You have disabled, right? Now here second one I am going to go to the bootstrap JS, copy this one back to my project, right click and paste it, right? This is the essential stuff you have to do, right? Then only you will be able to access the bootstrap framework here. Okay, right? This is the thing you have to do first, right? Now you can create your form, right? So first we have to do is you have to write the div tag here, right? First you have to write div class container. As the example I am not show the bootstrap, okay? I just put the HTML also. I have designed the form. Here I am going to put some advanced stuff to design, right? Then it's very beautiful. You can get the beautiful form, right? So I have to use the bootstrap. So container, inside the container we have to design the div row class. Inside here I am going to design the form, right? So we have to div class, you have to write div, you have to write class form group, you have to write here so form group, so form group, right? You have to write like this. Okay, perfect, right? Now here first what I am going to do is here you have to write here the form group. You have to write here first label. So label first name, right? After that you have to write here input type text. After that ID, if name, if name, here I have to write here this one class here, this one should be important as form control, then only the bootstrap will be enabled, right? This field is required. This thing we have to do, right? Perfect. Now here we have to write the form design, your form. So right here form, here write the form, here write the form. Form method post action. You have to write action. You have to write here bank dot JSP. You have to write like this, bank dot JSP, right? Form tag, right? You have to close the form tag. You have to Control X to cut off this one. You have to paste it here, right? Okay, the form is starting here, closing here, right? These are the values, right? So here these are the, when you click submit button, this all the values should be passing to this page, bank.jsp page, right? Okay, this is the method, right? So after that I am going to copy the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Second one should be the last name, right? This one should be the L name, right? After that third one should be the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be the address, so I have to write like this, address. Here also address, after the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. This one should be the account type, that A type, you have to write A type. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. After the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be the, after the income, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. After the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be phone number, so phone number, right? Here we have to write, here is a number, phone number, here write phone, right? Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, right? That's the thing we have to write. Okay, this only thing you have to write. Finally we have a button we needed for the button, so Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Only if we have a button only we needed. So we have to remove the stuff, so we have to write button, type is a submit, the submit type is a submit, we have to write submit, value we have to write here is a submit value, also we have to write submit, here we have to write here the button name, you have to write here is a, this one should be the register, but this value also you have to give Control C to copy, register, right? That's the thing you have to write. Okay, all the fields you have to fill and click button, register button, it is submitted on this action page, right? So let's save all, let's run the project, select this project, this is the index.html, right click, we have to write here run file, you can check here what happened. Here this is one should be a, right? Why the style is not taken? The problem is here, button you have to give the style, here is class, you have to give the bootstrap style btn success, you have to give the style properly, then only it's getting right. Now let's save, run and run again. Here it's nice look like. Now if you want to put the heading above, you can put the heading here as well. This one same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. No need this one, we need a h tag, only we need a h2 tag, right? Registration, right? That's it. Okay, now let's run. Here it's working perfectly. Here now if you click register, it asks the fill of the page, right? It's nice look registration page. Okay, very simple, right? Okay, very simple one, have you made it, nice look this one. Now I am going to do the things as a servlet page. I'm going to create the servlet page first, right? So let's select the web pages folder. Okay, this one I'm going to create later on, right? This page I'm going to create later on. I need this page, right? First select this. Now you select the web pages folder, right click new. Here I'm going to create the Java class, right? Java class I'm going to create this one as a bank account ACCC, right? Okay, this is a class I'm going to create. You have to keep the name as first letter as capital, right? This is the efficient way to create the class, right? Now you have to finish it, right? Now here the class is here, right? Okay, the Java here you have to, it is coming, not this a web page, yes, it is a Java file, so it is come under the source package here, right? Now it is a blank class. Now here first what I am going to do is here we have to create the properties, right? So we have to write this one should be the private. We have to write private, extra specifier. You have to write private. We have to write first one should be the string. F name, the first name equal this one. After that the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. This one should be L name. After that Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be the first name, bank balance. So here third one should be the, what is your form design, address, account type, income, right? This account should be the address. This one should be the address, account type, right? Address, right? The same name you have to write here. Account type, but name you have to write this account type, is type. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. After that we have to write this another stuff is a income. Control C to copy, the same thing, paste here. After that phone number. Control C to copy. This one should be the phone number. We have to write phone number, right? This is all the stuff we have to put it here, right? Okay, this how we have created. After that what I am going to do is here, these are the things, right? Now here I am going to create the connection, right? We have to write the connection here. So we have to write here first, we have to get and set the method first we have to write. Okay, so public void f name. This one should be the f name function. We have to write f name. We have to write string f name. You have to write here. Here you have to write get and set method. Inside here you have to write get and set method. You have to write this dot f name. The class level data f name equal to f name, right? Okay, this is the parameter. This is here. This one f name. This is class level, right? Okay. Now here we have to this. So this is coming from the this form values, right? When the form is values coming here, you have to set it here. When the form, if you are sending the button, it's coming here. It is put into here, right? This is the class level data, right? You have to understand the difference. Same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste. This one should be L name. This function L name, F name. So L name. This also L name. This is a class level data. This is a class level data, right? Control C to copy, Control V to paste the address. Control C to copy, Control V to paste the address, right? After the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be A type. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be A type, right? Account type, right? This one should be the account type. This address, say account type, A type. After that same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be the income, same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This also paste here. Here also we need to paste, right? Address, Control C to copy, this address also address here, right? You have to make sure this also we have to Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, right? Make sure that all the stuff are correct. Right, final one, the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. Here we have to write phone, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This is a phone, here also phone. Make the properties, right? This is all the stuff you have to correct it, right? First, okay. This is the thing we have to write. After that, what I am going to do is here, I am going to go to the browser. Here I am going to go to the database. I'm going to create the database first, right? So here I'm going to create, I have already installed the XAMPP server in my machine. I have connected. Here this is the, here we have to create the database new. So write in NDB bank, the database name. I just give the sample bank name here. Create, right. Now here we have to, how many fields we need, we have to put it here. So we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right, 6 field we need, and 7th field also, because ID, include the ID. This table name I am going to create registration, right, table name, right, click go. This ID first one should be the auto incremented primary auto increment. The first one should be the F name, this one should be a varchar, L name should be varchar. After that what is the field? Another field is address, varchar. After that A type, account type, varchar. After that account type, income, phone number. Income is a int, phone number is a int data type. You have to create the table properly here. This is the columns you have to need to create the table, right? So registration will be the table name. This is the database NDB bank, right? Click save button, right. All the fields should be created successfully. Now let's back to my project, right? Now here first I am going to create the connection here, right? Database connection. So you have to write connection con object, right? Now you have to add the namespace. So you have to add this, import this one, Java for SQL connection, right? This is important stuff. Second one, we have to add the prepare statement. This one, that also must. Prepared statement, PST. Right. After that, what I am going to do is here, we have to write here. You have to write here as another stuff. You have to write, create the function public. We have to write boolean. Let's write boolean type. Boolean save. We have to create the function save. Right? Save function. So here we have to write first boolean equal false. First it should be false, right? False, right. Boolean success false. We have to write the boolean success. We have to write the success function false, right? Now here we have to write here. Sorry, success is a variable. False, right? Here we have to write the connection con. We have to write here. So we have to first you have to register the driver first, right? So you have to write class dot for name, right? Now here what I am going to do is here, in order to connect SQL, the MySQL and NetBeans, we need to download the relevant driver. So how to download the relevant driver is, go to the Google. You have to type MySQL connector for Java. If you type that one, it's a first link. If you click this one, it goes through the downloaded link, MySQL downloaded link. Here you no need to come down. This is, you no need to download this one. You download only the MySQL connected Java zip file. Click download button. It goes different link for download. Login or sign up. Here you have to click the below link. No times just start my download. If you click on this link, your download has been started below here. Right click and cancel it. Right. I already downloaded driver and put into my E drive. Here I am put into my E drive here. I have put into my E drive here. It is a MySQL connector for Java here. This one, right? Here, this is the two relevant drivers. Okay, I have downloaded, put it here. These two things I have imported into my NetBeans, right? So, what I am going to do is here, select this one here. Select the library folder. Right click, add jar folder. select this both, right? Cover down the control key down and select both, right? Here important into the library successfully here, right? So here we have to register the driver here, right? So you have to write MySQL driver, you have to register com dot MySQL dot jdbc dot driver, right? You have to generate the try catch here, right? Now here what I am going to do is, if you have to write here is, you have to write connection con equal driver manager, you have to write driver manager dot get connection. So we have to write, provide the URL, so jdbc dot jdbc, you have to write jdbc mysql localhost, you have to write localhost, you have to write what's the name of the bank, NDB bank, this is the database name, right? After that, you have to write the login and password of the XAMPP server. MySQL, when you install the XAMPP server in your machine, default username will be root, default password will be blank, right? You have to provide the user credential here, right? Username and password. Here you have to add the catch block, right? Its catch is here, okay? After that, what I am going to do is here, we have to create, we already create the prepare statement object above. You have to get it here. You have to write pst equal connection dot prepare statement. You have to write here as we have to insert the record into this. How to insert? Insert into which table you are going to insert the record? I am going to insert the record into which table? Registration table. These are the columns, right? This is for, this one should be the auto incremented column. We don't need to write on the query. We have to, the rest of the columns you have to write it, right? So we have to write here, insert into which table? Registration table. Registration table. Insert into registration. You have to specify the column name here properly. First one should be, you get it, the screen look like this. It easily we have to write it. First name, comma L name, comma address, comma A type, comma income, comma final one should be the phone, right? These are the columns you have to write it here. After that, values, you have to write here what are the values here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 6 question mark we have to put it here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 question mark, right? These are values, right? This is it, okay? Now what I am going to do is see, after that you have to write pst dot set string 1. You have to write here this property you have to access f name, control C to copy, get you have to write here get this one set name. We have to write another thing is, we didn't write this one as a set, this set name, f name, set name, or get name he didn't write, okay? You have to didn't write, you have to set name and get name. Set property, this one should be the set one, set, it is set. You also here also get one, the same thing under we have to write second one should be get one, right? So we have to return the get one, so get one, okay? So get one, this one no need to write. Now here we have to write this one as a return, you have to write f name, right? You have to set the set f name, you have set and get method, right? You have to write like this, f name. What's the problem here? Change the type to string. Right here we have to write the string. We have to write the string, not void. This is string. Right, this is string. Okay. The same thing. We have to put it here. Same thing. We have to set. This one should be set. We have to set this one as well. Set. We have to forget this one. Sorry for the things. We have to forget this one. Right. Set name. The same thing. You have the same thing. You have to copy. Control C to copy. Control V to paste. This one should be the string. Here you have to get L name. This one. Control C to copy. Control V to paste here. Same thing. Here also L name. Control C to copy. Control V to paste. Same thing. You have did here as well. Address also the same thing. Get and set method. I forgot to return the set. That's a problem. Set. Get address. Address. Control C to copy. Control V to paste here. After the same thing. Here also you have to write the A type. Public get this one. Same thing. Control C to copy. Control V to paste here. Get A type. Get this one should be the this A type. Sorry, it was set A type. This A type. Control C to copy. Get A type. Here also A type. Control C to copy. Control V to paste here. Right. You have to make sure the final one. This one should be there. Set income. Here also the same thing. Control C to copy. Control V to paste here. Here also string. Get income. Control C to copy. Control V to paste. Final one should be there. Copy. Control V to paste here. This one set phone. Here also phone. That's the thing you have to write. Okay, now you have to get it here simply. First one to the F name. You have to write as here as get F name. Right. Get F name. But it's a problem. Here's a get F name. If they are the properties, they are get F name. Get and Control C to copy. Control V to paste here. Here we have to write this one should be the function. You have to write here this one. What problem is here? Right. Now it's okay. Right. Okay, this one should be the here. You have to write the function here, get function. Then now it's work. Right. Now after that, here second one, same thing. Control C to copy. Control V to paste here. Right. This one should be the L name. After that, address. Get address. After the address, we have a this one get type. Get A type. 3, 4th A type. After that, same thing. Control C to copy. Control V to paste. Fifth and sixth, we have to write income. Get income. A type. Get income. Control C to copy. Control V to get income. After that, we have to write here is a get phone number. Right. After that, we have to write pst dot execute update. You have to write execute update here. Right. This is the thing we have to write. Now here we have to write here is simply int. We have to write status equal pst execute query. You have to write here if you have to write not, if not equal, if not status equal 0. If it is not equal 0, you have to write the message. So right here, the thing is, you have to write here the simply you have to write the another prepare statement. You have to get it another prepare statement. You have to write another prepare. Control C to copy. Control V to paste here. Prepare statement 1. You have to get it here. Prepare statement pst1 equal connection dot prepare statement. You have to write here is select max ID from registration. We have to write here is registration, right. Here we have to write result set rs equal pst dot execute query. We have to write here, we have to this one carry it here. Now here we have to write rs dot next. So write here the registration number. You have to write the registration number. You have to create the registration number. Here we have to create the variable here, registration number. Reg number equal reg number, sorry, string reg number, string reg number, right? So you get it here, reg number, you have to get it here, equal rs dot get string to the 1, registration number 1, right? Now after that, what I am going to success equal true, right? This is the thing we have to write. Now here what I am going to see, after that we have to, this one we have to reduce the spelling, right? Spaces, we have to write here return success, right? After that, what I am going to see, we have to write here is a public string reg number. You have to write here get reg number. So this function you have to this one control x cut off inside here. You have to put it here. Here we have to write return reg number. You have to return both, right? The success message and reg number, right? You have to write like this. Here the reg number, this one we have to put it control x to cut off here. Registration number, right? It's working, right? That's the thing you have to write. Okay, it's very simple stuff you have to write. Okay, very simple. Okay. Okay, now this is this way you have to write. Now here what I am going to do is here, after done all the stuff, you have to build it, clean build, clean build, build it, right? No error. Here should be no error. Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to create the another file for bank, bank.jsp, right? So select the web pages here. Here we have to select JSP bank. Right, that's the thing we have to write. Bank.jsp. You have to create the bank.jsp page here. That is the thing we have to write. Okay. Now here, this is the default bank JSP page. Now here first I have to write the JSP tag. You have to use the bin tags, right? So JSP, you have to JSP colon user bean. You have to user bean ID equal. You have to write bank 1. You have to write simple. You can give any name and just bank 1. Right. Here we have to write after that scope page. After that we have to write class. What is the class? Class name is bank ACC. Bank ACC. This is a bank, right? Class name. Right? You have to write. This is the thing you have to write. But this is the thing we have to write here. Okay, you have to close it here. Right. After that, what I am going to see, you have to write another stuff is you have to write JSP set property name equal bank 1. Bank 1, you have the property, right here, you have to write here. That's the thing you have to write. Okay, that's the thing you have to write. That's the only thing you have to write. Everything's fine. Okay. Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to write the JSP tag. Not equal. Right here, not equal. You have to write JSP close. So we have to write boolean success equal false. Now what I'm going to do is, we have to write, already written the HTML tag, everything. Now here we have to write simply inside the body we have to write simply, we have to get the message only, we have to write here, we have to write here is simply first we have to write a simple table, we have to write a table, and we have to write table, close it. So we have to simply write the message here, table, tr tag, that is the td tag, you have to write td tag, that here we have to write ndb bank, right. After that we have to write, here simply, you have to write here, you have to open the JSP tag, open and close the tag. When you open, you must close the tag. Inside this here we have to write the things, what right here is success, this one success, we have to write the success, Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste here. We have to write success equal bank 1, this bank 1, this is the ID bank 1 dot save, that called as save function. The save function means this one is coming from here, the save function, right, the save function, right. Okay, this is the ID. Okay, this is the, we have attached this class, so it is this ID getting and save, right. So after that what I am going to do is, here you have to write here if success equal true, if it is true mean, now here what I am going to do is, here we have to open the curly bracket, here we have to write we have to close the JSP tag here as well. Same thing, Ctrl+C copy, Ctrl+V this right. Okay, we have to close it here, this tag open, here close it, this bracket, right. Now here we have to write the this one, right. Now here this one we have to remove it, later on we have to put it. Okay, here open it, here open bracket, close bracket, we have to write later. Now here we have to write tr tag, inside the tr we have to write the td tag, td tag we have to write close span 2, we have to write here, you have to write here simply, you have to write JSP, get property name bank 1. After the property you have to write if name, right. After that what I am going to do is, here you have to write here registration success, right. Okay, now what I am going to do is, here after that you have to write another thing is registration success, this one should be the registration success, it's opened. Same thing, you have to Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste below. Here we have to write the second one should be the here as this one should be the second one, we have to the registration number, you have to get the registration number as well. So here we are to write this one as, of course this is not this one, you have to write here, you have to write here, you have to make 2 TDs, right. This one should be registration number, your registration number, right. Here we have to pass this one, get properties bank 1, here we have to write the REG number, you have to write the REG number like this. Okay, this is the thing you have to write like this. Okay, registration number, right. This is the thing you have to write. Here we have to just remove it. Okay, this is the only thing we have to write here. Registration number, everything is perfect. Right. Now finally we have to close the tr tag, right. So we have to write here, you have to write this one, we have to close tag, close it, right. This is the thing we have to write. Okay, we have to save all, save. Now let me check that. So everything is perfect. Here when you call the bank.jsp, it goes to this class, bank account class. So it is reside on here. Double click on this. You have to go here. We have to check everything is correct or not. It's a NDB bank, right? It's a NDB bank, NDB bank, right? NDB bank, right? Here how many question mark? 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 another error, right? Now here everything fine. After that PST1, here also PST1, right? This is prepare statement, the second one should be here, right? Now that's the thing, that's the only error we have, right? Okay, it's correct, everything perfect, right? Now what I am going to do is here, we have to do another important stuff here. This Java, this class is reside on the default package. Instead of that, what I am going to do is here, I am going to click the Java web pages folder, new Java package. I am going to give the name here. I am going to give the accounts. This one I am going to give the name as you have to give this one as a registration, registration package, right? Finish it, right? It creates a separate package here. You have to this page cut and put into inside the paste it here, refactor mode, right? It's more, it's working, right? That's the thing we have to do. Now it is reside on the registration package, right? Now we have to here show the error, indicate the error. What I am going to say, reg, it is reg package dot, it is a registration error. We have to put it like this, right? That's the thing we have to do. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Registration. You have to write like this. Reg registration. Right. Now let's run and check whether it's working fine or not. Everything fine. Now let's index.html, right click, run file. But now you have to write here is this one, John, this one, last name, address like this, account type, income, phone number like this, like this. You have to click the register button. Registration success. Your registration number is 5, right? It's working perfectly well, right? It's working perfectly well, right? It's working well. Here it's working well, right? It's registration number, right? Now if you want to register another account, you will be able to register here. Here it's working fine. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.